What's up, everybody? This is part 2 of the birthday week, of my birthday week.
Ooh, when's your birthday, Shaquille?
August 5th, girl. This is Maggie O'Daniel, one of my good girls, my home girl from Young Wife and now Bethel. And we're having a good time here, yes, having a good time.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
Everybody, she's beautiful, I love her. Yeah, I love her. Anyway, we're going to be having service in a few hours. And
Well, a few
beautiful
minutes.
guy over here. Beautiful guy over here. She's having me a good time and having a wonderful blast.
Yes, we are.
Anyway,
Bye!
no, it's not time yet.
Okay,
Gotta make it to a minute.
bye. Oh, a minute, okay.
Good minute and everything. She's like my other girlfriend that I never have. And if you want to go out with me, you can just say so right now.
Well, I'm living a single life.
So am I. So am I. Yeah.
Huh?
Well, anyway, I'll see y'all beautiful folks later. Bye.